So here we are at me start to finish. First of all, we put straps on. This is a 4-inch soil pipe, cut down the middle slot, and put these clamps on to hold it in place. Just tighten it all up. Don't have to be very tight, just to hold it. Put the other one. Put that on there, like that, like so. So it holds it together, so there's no big gap there. Put that on metal disc, that's a 6mm, onto there. Put that on top of there. Then we scoop the mixture, which comprises of sawdust, coffee grounds, cardboard, paper, any waste really, and the contents of my hoover, the vacuum cleaner. And then we scoop that into there, fill it up. As you can see, it's very sloppy, it's very wet. It's been soaking for about a week or more, maybe a couple of weeks. But I've got 4 of these on the go, so as I empty one, I start another one. And all we do is fill it up, like that. Move this along a little bit so you can see better. That down, and get another disc which is smaller that fits inside. Drop that in, press it down slightly. Don't press too hard because you'll get wet through. And just press it, and then you get a piece of wood that fits inside there, and then get the jack to fit in between so it's straight. Tighten it up. I've lost the handle for this, so I use an old drill and just press it. Now that's fully compressed to it as far as it'll go. So what I need to do now is release it. And then get another block on top of there, a smaller one. Do the same thing again. Tighten that up. So it's right down, like that. Release it. Take the blocks out. Now then, what we've got to do now is get this out here. So what we've got to do is release the clamps. Like that. And then what do we do? Well, that's silly, wasn't it? Then all we do then is put that on the edge of something's hard on the edge and push it down with your hand. And there it is. Done. That'll be ready in this weather, probably 3-4 weeks. In the summertime, probably a week and a half. So it goes back on my shelf. I can put it on there. Put it up there. And that's all there is to it. I hope you like watching. and please subscribe if you like it, and I'll make some more videos. Any suggestions, help or advice, much appreciated. Thank you very much.